say, they're on the journey and go on the beach, you know? Yeah. So I know look how more might reach. It's them place that just recently built over there. Them sell out already still. All of them place there. They are going and make a little small chat go up on the beach. Yeah. Journey to the paradise land. This is them I try to take out from away. You see me? Like them no want Jamaican to have nothing. And when they take off down your full. Yeah. I hope whosoever to see this see it. You see me? Because me want to know. Come like say. Away Jamaican I fool. And the rich man for just come in and take it like them are swimming in a pool. You see me? But the journey is on, you know. You see me? The journey is on and it's not for the... It's only who can endure, you see it? It's only who can endure, it's not for the swift. But the richest of the richest, them control the whole of them place and the whole of them property. See them? Them control the whole of them place and the whole of them property. See me? All of them place where we are look on. See me? Them tank well and the whole of them control them little place. So can't fight them still. Just after they are going to do the right thing and live the right way, you see me? Just after they are do the right thing and live the right way. Yeah. It's them. And the rich man them alone control the property them down here. You can't fight it still. As I said, the race is not for the swift. It's those who can endure. See it? You just step on my way and make a little small chat. Go in a little place so then call James Bond. If they don't fence it off, or do whatever they're supposed to do with it. Because me, so they might draw a fence on there from the other day. So, yeah. I journey to the beach, about 10 minutes walk, 15 minutes walk. You see me? There in a paradise land, you see it, Jamaica. The only way to go. Yeah. There's a few way around it, you know. A lot of people might see you and know, say, yo. How we run the ground? Jamaican. You see me? How we run the ground? The richest people amongst all. You see me? Rich with life and blessed with the land. You see me? Yeah, because what them a try can't work. You see me? Can't work. Them just a try force us from away from the beach. You see me? So I say I dip on my way and make a small chat, as you can see. Throw the liquor, folly, you know, and take me little time, walk around. Yeah. So let I never give a man more than we think can bear, you know. See me? So you see all of them people how them a fight for the land. They feel like I for them. We all are going to see, man. We all are going to see. You see me? See all our property. Yeah. And watch I know, they now give poor, they now build some structure upon it and give poor people and say, oh, develop it, you know. Why is it you can't have that way there? Why is it you have to have the money live and direct and claim say you want to develop a country for your people them? You see me? All I know about the name Minister of this and Minister of Tourism and all of them fuck with it. You know what is development? When you build in a bag of concrete jungle and feel like that tourists come here to see bad man. Tourists not come here to see concrete jungle. You see me? And the natural thing them tourists come here to see bad man. You see me? Natural thing. The little man was selling jelly on the roadside. And him cane. And the little man was hustling crab and them little thing on the roadside. When the time is right. So we are there to see. You see me? And where them a fight. We are all there to see, so. Jamaican, all me can tell you say, yo, if you don't stand up for this, nothing not gonna come out tight. You see me? Nothing not gonna come out tight, yo. So, just have to stand up for the right and know, say, yo, we can't pay up on every beach. Because if we pay up on every beach, what about those who can't afford it? They're not gonna have no access to no beach. So, don't tell me no. You see me? All who can afford it now gonna have access to the beach. So the rich man alone for come enjoy it with them kids them. You see me? And him family and whatever and him friends them who can afford it for pay 1,000 or 1,500 Jamaican dollar. What about those who can't? You see me? What about those who can't? We don't hide from China pull over, you know, so. And big jacket and tie. Like say, yo, how we run the globe? No bad man, we don't have time for that. You see me? But you see, anytime the match I force we a fight, it's gonna be trouble in our country because all of them places soon turn concrete jungle, big old building and all of them things that them feel like a development. Big building and a development, bad man. You see me? That just give the European and the Spanish them more strength to take over our place when they do that. Because when them come and them build up them whole building. You see me? Them pay less taxes, less everything. So me want to tell me, you know, what the procedure, how we are going to face. You see me? That's some can see people. They're on the beach, you know. So, that's how we there, that's right there. You see me? Can't do no more than what we can do. Yeah, so you can hear the sea breeze. This is the paradise so they might try to take from we. So you got the richest of the richest of the survive, you see.